Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ayanna, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how I do my wash and go routine. I'm going to be using these two products. It's called Curl Pudding Defining Pudding, and then this Xtreme Wet Gel. I didn't get the big thing because I technically do not like the way gel works in my hair, but I saw a bomb wash and go review by another fellow YouTuber. Her name is Mia Nicole, I believe. Her hair is so pretty, so I'm like, I have to try this. So those are the two products I am using. And before we get into the routine, I just want to say, if you're new here, doll, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button while you're here. Can't even talk. Be sure to hit the subscribe button while you're here, and like and comment on the video and tell me what you think and if you're going to try it out or not. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey doll, hey, thanks for being part of the doll house, and I cannot wait for my community to grow. I'm really excited about getting this YouTube journey off. I really have like so much fun doing this, so I'm excited to continue doing this. So anyway, let's get started. I've already sectioned my hair into 4. See my little clips here? Sectioned them into 4. And I'm going to start with the product. I already washed and detangled my hair. This is on fresh hair. So freshly washed and conditioned hair. For washing and conditioning, I use Lotta Body's conditioner and their shampoo. I really like the shampoo because it lathers up so well, and I have thick hair, so I need the lather, sis. Okay, so my hair is kind of dry because after I washed it, I'm gonna wet it a little bit. You see me looking down. I am looking in the mirror in front of me because I'm new to this YouTube thing, and listen, it is really hard to get ready or do your hair or anything in front of this camera, because even with the flip out screen, it's just really hard. So just recombing it out just to make sure it's tangled, not tangled. So, starting off with the pudding, I'm gonna split this in half. Take about this much. It's like a really, it's not too creamy, but it's like a, it's a good consistency. Feels like it'll have a good texture on my hair. It's not too thick. You know, I don't like really thick creams. I feel like it makes my hair heavy and I can't stand it. So just want to make sure I get it evenly through. And next we're going to go in with the gel. I don't know if you can see this because it's clear, but I'm going to take about this much and go over it. I think that might have been too much, but we'll see. Like I said, I don't like gel, so I don't know. It just makes my hair crunchy and hard, and I just really do not like that look. So what I'm doing now is just shingling my hair just so it doesn't get retangled, and to make sure I have some curls forming. If you see me turn my head to, you know, watch TV, I am currently watching Rhythm and Flow. I know I'm kind of late, but I love Cardi, so I had to check it out. And I'm kind of in a rush because I'm kind of in a rush, y'all. So I'm doing this kind of fast because I have a nail appointment at 5:30. So, and it's like 4:45. So I'm really trying to hurry up and get this done.
Contestants, which means that only one of you is staying.
Just rubbing the gel together. This part of my hair, if you're new here, you probably haven't heard me say that before. It's kind of tender too. I had brain surgery last year. Well, in a year and a few months ago. And this part of my hair was shaved, and so yeah, unfortunately this part was shaved, and this is the regrowth. I had surgery October of 18. I wish it was longer. I just feel like it should have grew longer by now, but I'm thankful to be here, so you know, it is what it is. Okay, dolls, so that's the end of this tutorial. I will be back with you after I get my nails done so you guys can get ready with me and see the results of my tutorial. See you dolls later. Okay, dolls, so I'm back. I went and got my nails done. I just got bubble bath. I'm a simple girl. Sometimes I like the ghetto shit, you know, the rhinestones and stuff, but not very often. But I really love bubble bath. This is my favorite color. This is my go-to color. This is what I get all the time. See? Okay, now I just got back. I'm getting ready to go out. It's Valentine's Day night. I know it's pretty late, but I have so much stuff to do today, so I'm just getting ready to go on a date. So I am doing a new makeup routine today that I got from a fellow YouTuber, because I just wear powder. I'm not a real like foundation, I like creamy stuff type of girl. I just don't like the way it feels on my face. And I also don't like the way I look when I have had it done like that. Like, I get it done for special occasions and I always wipe it right off, like right after the event is over. I don't really like all that makeup on me. But this girl, what's her name? Lachey, Ronnie Lachey, I think. I don't know. I'll link her name down below, but she's a really pretty girl and her makeup looks so natural, and we're like the same skin tone, so I'm about to work it out and see if it looks right on me. And if you see me dancing, I'm just going to be speeding through this because I'm going to be listening to music, and you know YouTube does not allow you to listen to what you want to, and I like to listen to music when I get dressed. And I got a little wine here, so don't be surprised when you see me looking off and on, okay? So hope you enjoy. Okay, y'all, so this look right here is a complete fail. Like I told you previously, I do not like the way I look with all that makeup on my face. I felt like Casper. It was too light. I think I used too much. I really don't know what happened. But you're going to see me come back in and reapply the makeup all over again, because I went out and went to the bathroom and washed my face and came back in and started over. So here you go. Okay, so my curls turned out nice and defined. Kind of flat for what I'm used to, but I was going for a more subtle look anyway. So, but I'm happy with the outcome. I was rushing today too, like I had to go get my nails done and all that. So I'll take my time next time, because this piece, obviously I forgot to put something on. But besides that, look, like my curls, y'all, they're really defined. I love them. So yeah, yes, pretty. So I'm gonna go get dressed, and then I'll be back and show you guys the final look. Okay, ciao. Okay, dolls, so I really didn't get to get any good pictures because, like I said, I was rushing. However, these are the pics that I have for you, and I hope you enjoy watching the video. Can't wait to see you next time. Thanks for watching, dolls. Bye.